What's up, people? Today we're going to be doing an unboxing and review of the DJI OSMO Mobile 4 right after this. Welcome back. If you're new to the channel, I'm Kedrick Foster. I do unboxings and reviews of all the latest tech. So if you like that type of content, hit that like and that subscribe button. So if you're looking at this video, you most likely know what a camera gimbal is, but if you don't, I'm gonna explain it to you. So pretty much what this is it will give your cell phone footage that cinematic, smooth, stabilized look when you're filming. So we're gonna do the unboxing. We're gonna show you everything that comes in the box, and then I'm gonna go outside and shoot some test footage. So let's get into the box. So we're presented with a message that says, create magnetic moments. So we're gonna get more into that later. Okay, so first we have this template that you can actually use to add this pop socket like piece of metal to the back of your phone. Looks like it has some adhesive on the back of it. And you can add this to the back of your phone, or you can use this, which is like a mount that you can put on the back of your existing phone that you can take on and off without actually putting glue on the back of it. See what else we have in this top part of the box. So you got your book, your manuals, documentation. You have extra pieces of 3M tape. And it also comes with a nice travel bag. OSMO and DJI. So that's pretty cool. So let's get into the device itself. So you have the unit itself. As you can see, it's folded down right now. Not too heavy. You also have an attachment where you can have a tripod at the bottom, so if you don't want to hand hold it, you can actually set it on top of this tripod. So that's cool that they included that in the box. Another piece of DJI adhesion with a 3M on the back of it. And then you have your charging cable, which is USB type A to USB type C. And they also give you a wrist strap. So when you're actually ready to use this, this is folded right now, but you can unfold it. So what you would do is fold this side up, and then you actually add your phone here. So as you can see, this part here is magnetized, as well as the back of the actual phone holder. So once you put your phone on here, it'll connect right to that. And what's nice about that is, normally on the first 3 versions of the OSMO Mobile, you actually had a clamp that you had to clamp the phone on, and it didn't take too long, but it would take about a minute to get everything set up before you can start shooting. But now with this design, you can just throw your phone right on and then start recording instantly. So that was a much needed design improvement from DJI. So I'm gonna try to get everything set up and show you how it works. I'm not going to glue this to the back of my phone, so what I'm going to use is this little clamp here, and I'm going to clamp it to my phone. The phone I'm going to use for this is the Samsung S21 Ultra, and it clipped right on this phone with the case, no problem. And this is probably one of the bigger phones you're going to encounter, so most likely this clip will work for your phone. So now that you have it unfolded, you have the clamp on the back of your phone. You just take the phone and clamp it right there. And now let's power it up. Hopefully it has some juice on it. Alright, so let's go around the device. So right here it has a joystick which you control to pan the camera left and right, up and down. You also have your record button here. You also have a function button. On the side, it has a wide and tight, so you can zoom in and zoom out with this toggle here. And on the back, there's actually a trigger which you can use to change the orientation. If you double tap it or tap it once, it will change the orientation of the actual camera. So right now, as you can see, it's in portrait mode, and you can change that to be in landscape mode. So I'm going to go ahead and install the app on my phone, get everything set up, and I'll be right back. Alright, so we got everything set up now, but one thing I want to correct you. So on the older version of this, it will be the trigger to change the orientation, but now it actually just recenters your shot. To actually switch it from portrait to landscape, you need to actually double press the function button, which is on the front of the camera now, which is on the front of the gimbal now. So you just double press it and it'll remove your camera from portrait mode to landscape. So let's go ahead and take this outside. I'm gonna shoot some test footage and see what this thing can do. And one thing I'm already noticing about this that I don't like is you gotta hold it pretty far away from your face in order to get your face in the frame. I can see how your arm could get tired doing this. And this is, again, using that front-facing camera on a Samsung S21 Ultra. Let's see what it looks like with the forward-facing camera. And this is what you get with the forward-facing camera. So right now I have it on the front facing camera. I have it sitting on a tripod. And if you're a content creator, a solo content creator, this setup right here would be very nice for you to be able to shoot videos hands-free. You don't need another tripod. Everything is nice and simply set up. And like I said, you're using the camera that you already have. So I think this is definitely a nice setup if you're a YouTuber, just starting out as a filmmaker. This is definitely a must-have in your arsenal if you want to start making videos. So they actually have a new feature called Clone Me, where you can actually take 3 separate photos and they'll stitch them all together and actually clone you in all 3 of them to make it look like it's 3 of yous and 1 picture. I'll throw that up right now so you can check that out. Another cool feature of this gimbal. Yeah, so overall, this is a really nice device. If you're a beginning filmmaker, or maybe you have your own YouTube channel just starting out and you want something that's going to up your video production skills, definitely grab one of these, especially if you want to use the camera that you already have in your phone, which is really good. Like most of these cameras now can shoot 4K, 8K. So a lot of you have a really nice phone already in your pocket. So adding this to it will just up your game even more. So like I said, if you have any questions about anything, just drop them down in the comment section. I'll be sure to get to them. I'll also have the link to this product. It will be an Amazon affiliate link. So if you purchase anything through that link, it does help out the channel. So I want to thank y'all if you're using those. Other than that, I want to remind y'all to like and subscribe. I want to thank y'all for watching, and until the next time, peace out.